Here's how scrap steel turns into precise, controlled metal shapes with DIY tools. Welcome to the Mech Life Hacks channel. Today we'll explore 20 high-efficiency DIY metal tools. All of them are straightforward to make from scrap steel, perfect for any DIY project. These tools make bending and shaping metal fast and precise. You'll see shapes from circles, hooks, U-shapes to sharp angles. Every action is smooth and beginner-friendly. From square, round, flat to solid steel, each tool serves a purpose. They turn scrap into useful, reliable tools. Effective and precise, even for complex shapes. Just a bit of welding, hammering, and cutting gets you started. These tools save time and effort. You can easily make loops, hooks, U-shapes, or intricate patterns. Each tool is durable and dependable. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts or home workshops. From small to large projects, you control the results. These tools inspire creativity and experimentation. You can try many shapes without complicated machines. Every detail is designed to simplify your work. Watching all 20 tools together shows their versatility. From basic bends to intricate forms, anything is possible. Each tool contributes to a complete DIY metal workshop. Smooth curves and sharp angles are achieved effortlessly. You'll find bending metal easier than ever. Efficiency and flexibility are the highlights of this set. These tools save time while delivering accurate results. From U-shapes to decorative loops, everything is doable. They're beginner-friendly and professional-grade. You'll complete projects faster with less effort. DIY metal tools turn scrap into functional pieces. Create unique shapes while maximizing your creativity. This set is strong, durable, and simple to use. Every tool shows the power of smart design. DIY metal work has never been easier. All 20 tools together form a complete workshop set. From small to large projects, every task is efficient. You can achieve precise results with confidence. Make smooth curves, sharp edges, and loops effortlessly. This set is perfect for DIYers and home workshops. Each project sparks new creative ideas. These tools are straightforward to use, durable, and effective. Every feature is designed to simplify metalworking. Every feature is designed to simplify metalworking. You'll notice the practicality and versatility immediately. Watching all 20 tools together highlights their flexibility. Each tool contributes to comprehensive shaping possibilities. Creativity and practicality go hand in hand. Experiment with many shapes without complex setups. These tools are suitable for beginners and pros alike. Every detail is optimized for the best results. This set saves time and maximizes efficiency. Create unique designs with your own hands. Every tool proves the power of DIY metalwork. From basic bends to intricate forms, anything is achievable. All 20 tools together form a complete metal workshop. DIY metalwork becomes easier, faster, and more exciting. This set is full of creative inspiration. Every shape and detail is highly practical. From small projects to large, you control every outcome. Thank you for exploring this DIY metal tool set. Each tool proves scrap steel can become something extraordinary. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative workshop idea. Thanks for watching. More precision metal builds are coming soon.